The Research Skills team in the library has developed a new suite of workshops with the researcher experience at its heart. Learn how to maximise your publication profile and use tools which cut out continued rekeying. Understand how open access publishing can benefit your work and society as a whole. Understand how to use traditional and altmetrics to showcase your citations and support your career progression. Select the social media tools which demonstrate return on your time investment. And what about data? Our workshops will give you a grounding in the principles of research data management whilst guiding you through the end-to-end support provided at the university. And don't forget our research libraries manage access to the scholarly record. We have a continuously growing wealth of resources. Come and learn how to get the most out of the tools which mine this information, and then learn how to manage your references with EndNote. The university's special collections are held in the Cadbury Research Library, and bespoke training to access the material can be arranged, as can access to the Research Reserve. Find us on the university intranet and select from the list of workshops available in the drop-down menu. We look forward to seeing you at one of our workshops or hearing more from you about how we can support you as a researcher.